we're hanging out in Tehran.
And we want to show you guys what you can get up to with one day in Iran's capital city.
Let's go.
People here are ridiculously friendly. We're walking through the Great Bazaar and this man who was serving up fried rice just called us over and gave us a bunch. He didn't expect anything from it. He just wanted to give us some food and let us taste it. And it was delicious.
One really cool thing about Tehran is everywhere you go there are these huge parks and squares that people kind of just get together, hang out, eat some food, drink some tea and mingle.
Fresh.
We're at one of the main attractions here in Tehran. This is the Golestan Palace. We pay 300,000 rial to come in and check out the main halls, and we're gonna go do some exploring now. It's lunchtime, so we had to come and get a fresh falafel. It only cost $1 US. It's delicious, so we're making it right there in front of us. Definitely didn't expect to find a skate park here in Tehran. This one behind me is pretty big. There's even some girls out there skating and they're shredding. The next stop is the Imam Khomeini Mosque, which is one of the most beautiful places of worship in the entire city. Break up the day so you don't exhaust yourself, you should always stop in and get a cup of tea in one of these amazing tea houses. This one's built in an old caravanserai. We're exploring the former US Embassy here in Tehran. It's now known as the Den of Espionage. Back in 1979, a group of students from Iran took over this embassy and it turned into a 444-day siege.
We've come down to Imam Zadeh Mosque. It's absolutely beautiful. The sun's gone down, all the lights have come on, and all the people have come down to pray. It's a really nice place to finish the day off in Tehran.
And after an awesome day exploring Tehran, you've got to come to a tea house and get a little bit of shisha.
That's it for our one day in Tehran.
It's absolutely incredible city and well worth stopping off at your next visit to Iran.
We'll see you guys on the next adventure.